Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on here. If you're new here, my name is Karina and I do fashion and styling videos as well as some hauls. And I also do weekly vlogs, which I haven't been doing for a while. If you're interested in any of that, please consider subscribing. Today we are doing a DIY project that I've actually already done, filmed and all that good stuff and been wearing it. But it is a little DIY patchwork on my little Speedy bag. I've worn this now a handful of times. Currently has my stuff in it as well. I figured since I was doing this, I was gonna go ahead and do a good old what's in my bag real quick because I have been using this bag. Someone on TikTok had asked how the patches are wearing, and as you can tell here, like none of the patches, I don't know if you can tell here, none of the patches are lifting or moving. They are all still intact. And I haven't worn it in like the Texas heat. You know, when it gets really hot, things get very malleable and soft. Like these leathers get, this like canvas material gets really soft. I know when my phone cases, typically I have those plastic ones, they get really soft. So I don't know how the glue is going to act in the Texas heat. Hopefully it holds up, but I did use, I don't have the glue here, but you'll see it in the video. I used a super glue that I actually found on Amazon. And we were actually at Home Depot one day and I was like, oh, there's the glue I bought that I had been waiting for the bag. In the middle of me filming that video, I ran out of glue. So I sent my husband to get more glue so I could finish my little project. But yes, let me show you what's in my bag. And if you don't want to see what's in my bag, then I'll go ahead and put a timestamp of when my little DIY project starts and you can skip over this part. Move y'all down just a tad bit so you can see more of the bag and less of me. But here is the bag. Is a big hole. I do not have a divider in here at all because I just literally throw everything in. I do, however, at the end I'll show you what I have at the bottom to keep its shape. I don't like it to sag, so I do have a plastic bottom that I got from Amazon. But here is my little wallet. This is actually a gift from my friend. I love this little wallet. It's just the perfect little wallet. You can have cash, you can carry change. It's a leopard, which is uber cute, and it has this little pocket right here, so that's where I keep my debit card since that's what I use the most. But really love this. I do keep a little, I try to keep a little catch-all when I have big bags like this so I can throw a bunch of junk in there and it's not just rolling around everywhere. And here I have a Touchland, the apple one, I think. Oh, this is the aloe scent, which smells pretty good. I recently started carrying something in my bag for dry lips because I feel like Aiden always has really dry lips. So I tend to have a little chapstick in there for him and me. A little perfume. This is Vera Wing Embrace. I don't really wear this scent, but I like to keep a travel size scent in my bag in case I need it. This I've shared before in my last, I've shared this one before in my last what's in my bag. And this is the Revlon like roller. So you use it to get the oil off your face. You can see that. And then the little like stone gets greasy, but you can take out the stone and wash it. My oh so handy dandy brush, which I love this little brush. I specifically loved it when I had bangs because I'm constantly like spraying dry shampoo and then combing my bangs out, but I don't have bangs right now. However, it's still a great little brush. I get it from the Dollar Tree. I have two. I have a green one and a white one, and it's a mirror, which is great because I never have a mirror in my bag. I don't really carry a ton of makeup. The only thing I carry is like the lip combo I'm wearing for that day. If I'm wearing lipstick, I'll try to carry the lip products in there. I have my little wristband from the Catalyst Girls Run Club, which I have become a little running girly, if you even want to call it that. My friend on Instagram has a run club. She's a true runner. And she created a run club, and I go to the Dallas ones. I went to one Allen one because the run club is essentially in Allen, and then she'll have some in like Dallas, McKinney, things like that. I've also been running with my son because he's in track and football, and so we're trying to build his endurance as well as mine since I'm going to the little run club and stuff. But yeah, and then last but not least, I have a pen in here, and that is all that I have in my little catch-all. I have a metal hair clip in there, which I love these clips. I don't have a ton of hair, but when I had longer hair, this is, I don't know, I feel like this is like the best clip to hold like thin hair or a lot of hair. I don't know, I feel like these have the sturdiest hold in comparison to like a plastic clip, which I do have a little plastic clip in here as well. Some sunglasses. These are from Amazon. I took these on vacation and I absolutely love these. These are like a tortoise shell with a with a black lens, but it's not like super opaque. It's nice and see-through-y, which I like. A hairband, my keys. Oh, and then this little like ball that you put in a like tote or larger bag, and it just kind of like roams around in there. And it catches things that are at the bottom. It catches like junk and debris that's at the bottom. And look, let's see if you can see what it's picked up. So if you can see here, it's picked up a bunch of debris and just grossness from the bottom of the bag, which is cool. That way your bag stays semi-clean. There's one more thing in here rolling around. Oh, this little wrap. And I have this little wrap because my son broke his wrist, and so I was wrapping it until we got to the ortho doctor. And then this is what's at the bottom. Here is this little plastic thing is measured to the size of your bag. And oh, look at that, I've got two gift cards in there. I guess it must have fell down at the bottom. Okay, so let me make sure I don't have anything else down there. Bought this on Amazon and it fits the Speedy just perfectly. I think I have the Speedy 30. I can't remember now because I've had it for quite some time, and it's perfect. So now, when I wear my bag, it doesn't like, it doesn't do this. It keeps its shape like this. That way, if you carry a bunch of stuff, it doesn't sag and it keeps its shape. Yep, that was all that was in my bag. So if you're interested to see how I put my little patches on, then just keep on watching. I did order 1 pack of patches that I'm only using a few things from that pack. The rose, this little evil eye, this snake, and then this amazing sign. Ordered some K's in this old English style. It came in a pack of 4. I'm just using 2 of them. I ordered a little 3-pack of these lightning bolts in black. Super cute. It was a pack of 3. I'll be using 2. These beautiful monarch butterflies came in a pack of 2, and it's a very large pack. And then this just came as a single patch. This seller has all the countries pretty much. A lion because my last name is Leon. This super cute single patch also that says treat people with kindness. So cute. This is the glue I'll be using. It does say it has a flexible hold, which is what I was looking for, as well as it said it can be used for leather, which this bag is like a coated canvas. It's kind of a leather, but not really. Because the bag moves kind of like a fabric, I'm hoping that they won't pop off, but we shall see. To figure out how I want it to look on the bag, I'm just using tape that I've put on the back of the patches so I can arrange them around the bag and see what I want it to look like. I've already played around with the patches and I have an idea of what I want it to look like, so I'm just going to place them back on here the way I've envisioned it. Okay, I've now stuffed it so it's nice and sturdy. I'm scared to go in on the big part of the bag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the sides since it's smaller and see how it adheres. This is kind of handy because you press right here on the side and it actually comes out kind of thick, so it's not really a watery consistency. I mean, it looks watery when I'm doing it, but I am doing the edges because I don't want the edges to lift. Okay, and then I'll do some, and I'm scared. It says hold for 15 to 30 seconds, so I'm going to hold it there for a little bit. Now we're gonna do the little bolt. I'm not gonna put it straight, I'm gonna make it at a little angle. So I'm glad that I put that in there because now I can put pressure on it. Next is the snake. Okay, they seem to be sticking really well. So one side done, I'll go ahead and do this side next. So I hope you liked my little DIY project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!